What's going on, guys? In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money by watching videos. All right. So if you're a video head, if you like watching videos online, or if you like watching movies and stuff on your TV and watching Netflix and stuff, this is a great opportunity for you to earn more money or ways to earn money if you're just looking for different ways you can use. Okay. So welcome to the channel. Before I get into that content, go ahead, guys, and subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about educating entrepreneurs how to create a life full of freedom, passion, and fulfillment. Okay, so if you want to learn about making money online, creating passive revenue streams, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'm coming out with consistent content teaching you how to get where you want so I can get where I want. All right, so welcome to the channel. Go ahead, subscribe. And throughout this video, at any point in time, if I'm offering you some value, giving you some good content, go ahead and also like this video and comment below. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and get into the content. So the site, and there'll be a link in the description right under my #1 recommendation for making a full-time income. The link to Volcano will be down below. So if you want to, go ahead and get signed up today, go ahead and check that out. So Volcano basically is a website where you can come and look at different movies and videos that basically center around trailers, video trailers, right? And what you do is once you log in, so let me act like I'm new to this site. Volcano.com. Again, like I said, there'll be a link in the description. I'll have to log out. Okay, so what's hot, what's not, you'll come, here's what it'll look like. You'll go ahead and create an account. It's free to sign up. You can sign up with Facebook, or you might be able to do Google too. And that's that's it, guys. It's simple, it's easy, just do it. So Volcano, and this is where it'll look like. So you'll first come and you'll say 0 flow. So 1,000 flow equals $1. So by all means, you will not get rich off of Volcano watching movie thumbnails and rating them. You won't get rich off of it, but it's a good way to earn some extra cash. If you want to learn how to make a substantial amount of money consistently on passive revenue, go ahead and check the link out in the description, that first link. Okay, but for now we'll stick to Volcano. All right, so this is how it'll look when you sign on. You want to go down to my profile. What it'll say is earn 1,500 flow by create. Oops, it logged me back out. Earn 1,500 flow by updating your profile. So all I had to do was come in here in my profile and update all my information, right? So after I update all information, I got 1,500 flow. Then after that, you just go to explore and you can look at some thumbnails. No, not thumbnails, sorry. Some trailers, some movie trailers, right? And then so it'll load. And loading. Okay. And then you just, once it finishes loading and you look at the thumbnail, right? And at any point between the thumbnail, you go, oh, this is hot, or it's not. Okay. So let's say, oh, this is a good one. This is hot. Of course, you want to make sure you listen to the volume, but to avoid any copyright strikes on my channel, I'm not going to listen to the volume. All right. I'm not going to put the volume on. So you hot or not. If you don't like that one, you pick not. If you like this one, hot, and you just keep going on. My internet here is a little bit is lagging a little bit, so that's why it continues to buffer. But it's the same principle, guys. You continue just to go through each one of these thumbnails, and as you go through, I'm going to do it to the whole end. So just stick with me. Okay, let's give them time to buffer. You just go in. Not hot. This is hot. And the screen is a little too. There we go. Hot. And, of course you would listen to this, right? So keep that in mind. This is like a cool scene. That's interesting. Now hot. Nah. So I just want to go through the whole thing so you can see how the flow is earned and what happens to it. Okay. Don't forget, guys, subscribe to this channel. Go ahead and do it now. If it's giving you good content, giving you what you want, also like this video and comment below. If you're using VokeNo, comment below also and share your experience with it. Come on. Okay, so I do not want to waste you all's time, so let me see if I can pick another one. One that might stream a little faster. The Lego Movie 2. I saw this movie with my son. All right, this is better. Okay, so hot. Hot. That's a good one. Oh wow. Hot. Screaming. Nah, maybe not that one. Nah. 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 This is hot. Nah. Hot. Hot. And this is literally all you do, guys. Okay. Not hot. Good action. Not. Okay. Almost done. Lego Movie 2. Hot. Okay, and see, look, that's 50 flow. I just finished going through that video, and then I got 50. I earned 50 flow, so I'm 50 flow more, or closer to $2. And then you just, you keep going. You rate this video. I give it a 7.5. Wow, I just earned 10 more flow. Then you go to the next video, and it's the same movie, but just a different clip, a different trailer for the movie, and you go through the same process. And surely, if the more you do it, the more flow you earn, and the more flow, the more flow you earn, the more money you can accumulate. Okay, so that's all I have for you good today, guys. So go ahead and subscribe to this channel if I offered you some value, to get more videos like this, and like this video and comment below if you use VokeNo, or if any suggestions that you want to see me do, any kind of videos that you want to see. Go ahead and comment that below. All right, guys, and check out the first link in the description, teaching you how you can create a substantial and sustainable online business. Okay, creating passive income, which means you make money while you sleep. All right, and then also will be a link to VokeNo in the description under my first link. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video. I see you guys later.